Fine everyone, let's continue with the next topic, that is strings. So what is a string? String is combination of characters. Combination of characters. For example, if I say John, John, here, so this is an example of string only. Here, if you just divide this John, into multiple characters, so J is what? J is a single character here. O is again a single character here. So combination of different characters makes the string. In Python, we will just use this multi-line. So in Python, we have four methods to declare a string. First one, let's say I'm just having a name where I'm just writing John, or we can have a variable name where we are giving John. So I'm just saying here, yeah. Then name, triple quotes, single time, means 3 times we are giving triple quotes, single triple quotes, John. And here name equals double quotes 3 times, John. So these 4 are the methods we do have in Python to declare a string. Now some significant will be there. So if you see now, we used to use multi-line comment. Actually this is multi-line string only, not multi-line comments in Python. So let's do it. Now let's see some of the differences between them. I am just printing. For now I will take one variable, let's say name again, and there I am saying John. This one I'm going to print it. So Python strings .py. You see, we are getting John. Okay, I want to print John's notebook. So here I'm having name equals, let's say I want to print John's notebook. You see, we are getting error. Why this error? Actually, you are trying to give apostrophe here. We are trying to give apostrophe here, but Python is treating it like a end of this string code. We are starting this code here, and we are like giving the apostrophe and we want to close it here. But what Python just thinking about it, Python thought you are closing it here. You are closing it here. So that will not work in this case. So I will just mention it here, error. Error. Now you say I want to do, but I want to do the same task because I want to give apostrophe. So basically there you can use these double quotes. Now because whenever you will be closing it, you have to use double quotes only. So this is the opening of this double quote and this is the closing of this double quote, and here if you see, this will be now treated as apostrophe. So I will just run it again and you see we are getting this as an apostrophe. Now if you want to store the data into multiple lines, for example, I'm giving here, let's say in single quotes, John, and then I'm giving enter. You see, VS Code did what? VS Code did what? VS Code automatically added this slash and VS Code closed it. Let's say I'm not giving anything. So what's happening? See, we are getting issue. Now Python is saying you are starting this line here and you are closing here. In the next line, my single quote cannot handle it. Okay, so this is an error. Now you say, okay, I will try with double quote. You say, okay, if single quote not able to handle it, I will try with double quote. Double quote also not able to handle it. Double quote not able to still handle it. If you want to make it working, so you remember what VS Code did. VS Code what did? Like you see, VS Code closed this string, then give a slash, then opened that string again, then closed its string. So this much lengthy process also VS Code has to follow. So we will just run for now. We will see what is the output. You see, John, how are you? But you see, you have to give slash, you have to reopen here the codes, you have to close it here. So why this much hectic if you do have triple quotes option? So what you do here, instead of single or double, you can use triple quotes. So no need to close it anywhere, no need to give slash as well, means escape as well. Just you open it one time and just close it at the end wherever you want to end it. It will not give you any error. So that's why we do have triple quotes. See, perfectly working. And see, wherever you have new line also, now after John you are having data into the new line, it is also accepting that data into new line only. So I hope it's clear. Similarly, instead of single quotes, you can use double quotes triple time. So I hope it's clear that why do we have single quotes, why do we have double quotes, why do we have triple quotes. So there are multiple options, means there are reasons actually to have these codes available in string. Okay, now let's continue with the experimentation. So already we have given one variable. Let's say I'm saying string 1, or s I will take s equals to, let's say, John. Now I have declared the string. How you will print the string? That's it. We are just printing it. That already we have seen. I want to see length of the string. How many characters are available in this string? So how many characters we do have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's run it and we are getting 4 only. But let's say I am just storing the data here. After John I am saying John, or I will say hello John. So pause the video and just let me know what will be the answer for this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, but here we do have space also, no? It will count space as well. String used to count space as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Totally 10 we should get the output. And if you see, we are getting 10 here. Okay. Now let's see indexing in Python. Indexing in string. So we are storing this hello John into it. Okay. Always index will be starting from 0. Always, because when you checked the length, then though it will count from 1 only now, like how many characters are there. But when you want what is the index of a particular letter, it will always start from 0. Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Space will also have a index. 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 0 to 9. So this is having an index 0 to 9. Let's experiment here. I will say print s of 0. So pause the video and let me just think about that, what it will print. At 0 location what we have? H. So we are getting H here. Now we will just say print s of 7. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We should get O. O. Now what we will do? I will try to print a index that is not available, 17 let's say. We don't have any character available at 17, so we are expecting error, index error. Basically it's exception. So index error if you see. So string index out of range, they are saying you don't have any data at this particular index, so what you are trying to print, so this will give us error. Similarly, we used to have negative indexing also. Let's say I'm saying s of -1. So what it will do? Let's understand. When you are going to see the indexing from left to right, it will start from 0. And if you are writing it with minus, it will start from the right end. If you are writing the positive numbers, it will start from left. If you are giving the negative numbers, it will start from right. So s of -1 means n. -1. So n is at -1, h is at -2, o is at -3, -4, -5. It's like that. So if I print s of -1, it should give me n, John's n. Okay, so here if you see, I'm getting n. Now I will try to print s of, let's say, -6. So try it out. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 and -6. So we will be getting O. Hello's O. See? So -6 will come here. So this was about indexing. Now let's do the vice versa. Currently what we did, we were checking which letter is available at this index. Which letter available at this index. Now you can check at this particular, means this particular letter is available at which index. Next is at which particular index this letter is available. What do I mean to say? Let me tell you. So I'm having S again. Let's say hello John only I'm giving. Now I will say print. So we do have a function called as index. which will return you the index. Here it was returning the data, it will return the index. So please provide the index of E. Please provide the index of E. So see, what is the index of E? 0, 1. 1. 1 is the index of E. You see here? So 1, we are getting answer as 1 only. Okay. Next. Now, if we want to get what is the index of H. So what is the index of H? Now you see, here so it is capital H now. Where is a small h? Small h is here only. So it will ignore this capital H and it will give you the index for small h. So see, that's why we are getting 8. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Next, I will write here print S of index of, here I will give, let's say, LO. Now the point is, where is LO? LO is here. So for what it will return the index? It will return the index for this L only. Because wherever this particular string is available together, it will only consider that first one, first letter. It will not give for this L, because after this L we have L only. So, but after this L we have O, and this is the first occurrence. That's why it will return you 0, 1, 2, 3. Because this L is at third location. So see here, we are getting it is at third location. Perfectly fine. Okay. Next, I will just say print S of index. Now, if I say here, let's say capital O. So we don't have capital O. Now the question arises, when that particular letter is not available, then what will happen? Because till now everything was available. When that particular data is not available, you will get value error. You will get value error. So you see substring not found. When that particular letter is not available, you will be getting error. Okay, so that's the case here. I have commented it out. Okay, now one more question we can have. We have 2O. We have 2O here. Okay, you say I don't want the index of first O. I want the index of second O. So for that also you have option. So what you do, use the same one only. Same function we will use, but mention them what you want to search. I want to search O. But mention them from which index they should search. So this O is available 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can mention please search after, like from 5th location. Please search from 5th location. So you will get the answer, let's say C 7, because 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This O is at 7. Otherwise, if you directly try to search O, then what will happen? You will only get the index of the first O, that is 4. So I hope it is clear. This was indexing in string. Next we will see count. We will count how many times this particular character is available inside this string. So I will say s.count and that particular letter which you want to count. So I will count for O. How many times we have O? In Hello John, 2 times. So that's why we are getting 2 here. So if you see O, we have 2 times O here and we are getting 2. Now, let's say I want to concatenate. We will see what does it mean by concatenation of string. So let's say I am having a string first where I will write hello. And I am having a second string where I am having, let's say, champs. Okay. Now I will print, and what I will do, even without print also you can do. So let's say I am having a variable that is result, where what I will do, first plus second. First plus second. Now we will print it. So let's see what will happen, and later on we will make some changes only, little bit changes only. So for now I will just print it. So let's see. You see, hello champs. But the problem is we are not getting any space in between. Concatenation is done successfully. So either you can give a space before after O, or you can give a space before C, or here itself you can apply one more plus. You can give one more plus and these double quotes. So within these double quotes or single quotes, whatever you are using, give a space here. So now if you run it, between the first and second data there will be a space, you see. Next we will see repetition. Repetition in a string. Repetition means I will just write print here, and let's say I'm giving Python, and here I will say multiply by 3. What it will do? It will print Python 3 times. You see, it will print Python 3 times. So this is repetition. Okay. Next we can try, if you remember membership operator. So when I tried, I mentioned like this we will be covering when we will be completing the string, list and tuple. So here we can see membership operator using strings. Let's say Python only in. So I will take s equals to I am learning Python. I am learning Python. So I want to check whether do we have Python in S. So it should return what? Either true or false, because if we do have full Python absolutely same available, then only it will return me true. So that's true because that is available. If I go and I will check Python in S, so you see false. Why? Even the string is same, but because of the camel case, if you see here. So if you want to test any particular string is available or character is available in this string or not, so you can use membership operator. Membership operator we can use. Next, let's see some of the predefined functions available in Python. So what I will do here, this one we will use, let's say this string only we will use here, and I will say print s dot upper. Let's see what will happen. So it should convert the data available in this string into uppercase. See, everything has been shifted to uppercase now. Similarly, I want lower, so I will give lowercase, save it, and if you see here, everything has been converted into lower. Even this I also has been converted into lowercase. Let's say you want to find a particular string. So we do have a function called as find. So s dot find. What do you want to find? I am saying I want to find a. So let's see what it will return. It is returning me 2. Why? Because 0, 1, 2. I is at 0, space 1 and then 2. A is available at 2 locations. That's why we are able to get 2. So it's like same only index function we do have. It is behaving absolutely same here. Okay. You want to replace a string. So for example, here we are having I am learning Python. So I am teaching Python. I want to change this learning to teaching. So I am teaching Python. So what will happen? What you can do here, you can just say print. Directly in the print I am saying s dot replace. Please convert this learning to teaching. So if you see here, I am learning Python has been now converted to I am teaching Python. Absolutely. Now if I go and print s only, what do you think? Will it change the actual string also or not? So let's run it. Actual string never change here in this case only. Actual string not changing. So here if you see, we got replaced, means we replaced the learning to teaching. Okay. So I hope till now it's clear. Let's see strip function. So what strip function will do? Let's say I'm having a name here, where I'm having 2 spaces, then I'm having John, and then I'm having a lot of the spaces. So if you are going to print it, and let's see what we will get first. So we are getting, you see, we are having spaces here also, and we are having spaces here also. So we do have a function called as strip. This strip function will basically remove the extra spaces from left and right both. So we will give name dot strip function. We will use name dot strip function. So if you see here, no spaces now. No spaces. See, spaces has been removed perfectly. Okay. Next function we do have split function. split function. So for split, what we will do, we will take this example only for split one. So here I am learning Python. So if you see, after each word we have a space. After each word we have a space. You want to split it based on the space. So let's do. I will just say print here name, s dot split function. So first let's see what it will do. I'm running it, and if you see, it has been converted into a list. So I know you don't know about list. If you know, then very much it will be helpful for all of us. But still, if you don't know, you can just treat like, see, we do have comma after each word, means it segregated each word. Now you should have a question: is it mandatory that each after each word we should have a space? No. Let's say this particular is splitted using hash. This particular string is like splitted using hash. You need to just mention that particular character here. You need to mention that particular character here. So wherever now split function will find out hash, it will split your string from there. See, absolutely same. Now let's say I'm removing this hash from here. I'm removing here. So this will be treated like a single string only. See, this will be treated like a single string. So whatever the character or anything you will mention here, it will split your string from that particular character only. Next, let's see string formatting. String formatting means whenever you have a variable, let's say I am having a variable name which contains John, and I am having a variable age which contains John's age. If I want to print John's age and name both, so I will say hello. So I will giving, let's say here, codes hello, and then I have to print name. Then I have to say your age is, okay, your age is, and then I have to give here again age. So you can think I have to take care of these codes again and again like that. What if I write something like F formatting, and then no need to take care of comma and all, just go on within the string, and use curly braces. So wherever you have any variable now, within the string itself, no need to close and open again and again. Within the string itself, just give the braces, just give these braces. Okay, and here you can mention like your age is, just give in the braces age. So both will work same, absolutely. But the thing is here, this was much easier now. You do not need to take care of the codes where you have to open and close the code. So this was formatted. Let's continue with the slicing. Slicing means breaking your string, or getting the substring, for example. So what I will do, I will just take the same example, same string here. I'm learning Python. Here we will take, okay. And now here what we will do, slicing have three parameters. Start, step, stop, step. So it's like same range function in the for loop, absolutely same. Start. So here if you see, from where we want to get the string, that is beginning, this is the ending, and this is step, means how much increment or decrement you want. So let's say I will just say here S1 of, so 2 to 6. Now stop will be excluded. Here. So here if you see 2, 3, 4, 5, that's it. 6 will be excluded. Now what is this 2, 3, 4, 5? Index. So 0, 1, so eliminated. It will start from 2, means this A. 2, 3, 4, 5, that's it. A, M, space, L. Nothing apart from that, means even 6 will also not get printed. So see here, fine, we are getting AM space L here. Okay, let's try one more. So this time I will say 5 colon 9. So S of 5 colon 9. What it will return? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5, 6, 7, 8. LEAR it should print. So if you see here, LEAR perfectly. What is expected here? Now I will write here S of colon 5. colon 5 means, or let's say colon 8 I'm saying, we are not giving any start. We are not giving any start, if you notice. So if you are not giving any start, it will start from starting itself. If you are not giving start, you are just giving the stop. So it will go till 7th position, not 8th. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's it. 8 will be not there. So till A we are getting. See? Okay. Now, let's say this time I will not give start and I will not give stop also. So colon, let's say 2. What it is? Before this, let's do one thing. I will give 2 start, 9 stop and 2 step this time. So you notice what will happen. Start from 2. So 0, 1, 2. It will start from 2. It will end at 8 because it is 9 na. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 till R, from A to R. But there is a change. 2. This will do what? It will give a gap of 2. Each means 2 letters. Rather than 1 letter, by default it was giving gap of 1 letter. Now it will give gap for 2 letters. So 0, 1, 2. It will start from 0, 1, 2. It will skip M. It will give a space. It will skip L. It's like that. So let's try this. So you see, A, after A, M is skipped. See, then space it took, then L is skipped. Then E came into the picture. A is skipped and R we are taking. So 1, it is skipping 1, 1, 1. Okay. Now I will do what? I will say S. So colon 11, 3. Pause it and try yourself what it will return. So here if you see, we are not giving any start. So that means it will start from starting. But it will give a step 3. It will just give a step of 3 rather than 1 or 2. And it will go till 10. So let's see. Notice IMEN. So 0, I. Directly you are getting M. So 1, 2 are skipped. And after first one, it jumped to third one. That's why we have 3 num. So give third one M. Then 1, 2 skipped, third one is E. Then 1, 2 skipped, third one is N. It's like that. Then I will mention this time, I will not give start, I will not give step. No start, no step. Directly, sorry, no start, no stop. Directly I am giving step. So it will start from starting, it will go till end only. But it will give 2, 2. Means it will say I, skip space. It will say A, skip M. It will say space, skip L. It will say E, skip A. It's like that it will go. So you see, I, A, space E. Okay. So one more we can do reversing the string. You can have in negative also na step. So colon -1. That's it. It will start from starting. It will means full string it will take. But this time we are giving step of -1 na. -1 means it will start from the last. Okay. So let's run it. You see, full string has been reversed. So it is starting from the last because we are doing -1, -1, -1, -1 like that. Let's iterate over the string using for loop. Iterate through string using for loop. So for, let's say I am having that particular string, I am learning Python. So for I in, we will not give range function here. No need. Sequence na, string is itself a sequence. So that's it. We are giving the sequence name itself. And then just print I. What it will do? It will print one by one each character. I, space, A, M, like that. But the thing is, it will print totally separately each character. You see here. So it will print it separately, fully separately. Here if you see. So it is printing it fully separate. So I hope it's clear how it's working with the for loop. Here if you see. So I am learning Python for I in S. So S contains what? I am learning Python. I will go here, it will print I. A will go, space will go here, it will print space. A will go here, it will print A. M will go here, it will print M. It's like that. So until, because we know now how many times this loop will run until the end of the string. So that's why it will perfectly work until the full string has been printed. Now, how to iterate through string using while loop. Currently, we are using for loop. Let's do it with the help of while loop. So I am initializing it a variable with 0, and I will give condition while I is less than length of the string. That's it. I is less than length of the string, and here we will say here s of I. S of I plus equals to 1. So we will just run it first. Here you see everything absolutely same. Everything we are getting absolutely same. See. So how it's working, let's see. I equals to 0. Okay, I equals to 0. 0 is less than what? What is the length of this? So let's do one thing. Before this, let's print the length of s, length of this particular string. So this is, okay, whatever. So we are printing the length of the string. So here if you see 20. Now this loop will run means 20 times only. So I equals to 0. 0 is less than 20. Yes. It means please print the data available at s of 0. So s of 0 means I. S of 0 means I. Okay. Then I equals to 1. 1. So now 1 is less than 20. Yes. S of 1. The data available as s of 1 is space. Okay, space. Then s of 2, at s of 2 whatever what we have, a. It's like that until you see your 19 length is 20, 19 is less than 20. Yes, it will come back and it will print n, but 20 is not less than 20. That's why it will break the program, break the loop there only. Okay, so I hope you liked the video, and we tried our best to implement the string topic properly here. If you do have any doubts, please write in the comments, and thank you so much everyone. We will just continue with the next video with the next topic. Thank you so much.